rather push a lawnmower with a bar that is far too high or far too low?
Low. High.
High.
I think I would go. I said high last. I think I'll stay with high.
High.
Yeah, I don't want to lean over the entire time while I'm cutting the grass.
No way.
It's either your back or your knees are going to be hurting.
Yeah.
At least you
Especially with your legs if it's really low.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel
You
like it
probably
would
could.
take so much longer.
Probably like just kick it.
How low are we talking? Like 2 feet off
Like
the
below
ground?
your knees.
Below your knee. Oof.
So either way, you're going to
Below
look
your knee.
ridiculous.
But you think you can cut the grass with
Your knees are not much.
with your arms way up here? Yeah.
Either way.
Oh, no.
Either way, this is like, can I just paint my lawnmower, guys?
Yeah, for.
Dude.
I'd rather do that.
I'd rather do that. Because then you
Yeah.
could essentially, you could take turns
Yeah.
and rest
Either way.
and
it's
use your
just
body weight.
not be
Mhm.
fun.
Either way, I'm just going to pay my lawn guy to do it.
Yeah. I'd rather go with the high handlebars.
Hi.
I'm just saying all
Low. High.
High.
Okay. All right. There we have it.
Did you see